Hey everyone, welcome to PartsHnC. With winter around the corner, many of you are wondering, how much does an oil furnace cost? In this quick 2-minute video, we'll break down the key factors affecting oil furnace prices and share tips to save money. Let's dive in. Oil furnaces are a reliable way to keep your home warm, but costs can vary widely based on several factors. The average cost for a new oil furnace is around $5,700, with prices ranging from $3,200 for basic models to $9,100 for high-efficiency units. Standard oil furnaces, with 80 to 89% efficiency, cost between $3,500 and $7,500, while high-efficiency models with 90 to 97% efficiency range from $6,000 to $9,200, but save more on energy bills long-term. The size of your home also matters. A 1,500 square foot home needs about 80,000 BTUs, costing $4,400 to $5,400, while a 3,000 square foot home requires 150,000 BTUs, costing $7,100 to $9,200. Installation can add expenses like permits, which range from $50 to $300, ductwork sealing at $15 to $40 per foot, or a new thermostat for $50 to $300. Other factors like your climate, local labor rates, and whether you're converting from another fuel source like propane or electric can impact costs. You can save money by installing in the off-season, getting multiple quotes, or, choosing a high-efficiency model for tax credits and lower fuel bills. And always opt for professional installation to make sure your system is safe and efficient. For a deeper dive into oil furnace costs, check out our blog for detailed breakdowns and tips to help you make the best choice for your home. And follow us on social media for more HVAC tips and updates. If you need oil furnace parts or you're ready to upgrade your system, visit PartsHnC for a wide range of HVAC parts from top brands at unbeatable prices. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.